Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove or replace the hood on a Pontiac Torrent. It's the same procedure for all years, and it's also the same procedure for a Chevy Equinox first generation. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. We upload about 5 new videos every week. What you need to do first, you need to open the hood. And now in order to remove the hood, you need to remove that shock. So you need a small screwdriver to pull that spring out like that. You just pry it out. So now you can pull the shock out of there, as you can see. And now push the spring back in so you don't lose it in the whole procedure. The next thing that we need is a 10mm socket or a wrench, but it won't be so convenient, so using a socket is better, and a ratchet. And right there we need to remove, there is 2 bolts on the driver's side with a 10mm socket. Get them loose. Okay, so don't take them all the way off yet, because you need to be holding the hood on the other side before you remove them, otherwise you're going to hit the windshield. And right there we have 2 more on the passenger side, the same bolts, as you can see right there. And now you put one hand behind the hood, so you do not lose, you don't hit the windshield. So for that purpose you need 2 persons, one to hold and undo one side and the other one to do the other side. Okay, one there. Okay, we removed all 4 bolts, 2 there and 2 here in the shock. And now we're just ready to pull the hood of the vehicle. Okay, right there. And this is how you remove the hood on a Pontiac Torrent or Chevy Equinox. It's really simple procedure. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.